Saturday night, partly cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Lows in the mid-70s. Chance of... The following messages for the following county, Clarendon, South Carolina. The National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a flash flood warning for Vanderbilt County in central South Carolina, southern Calhoun County in central South Carolina, southwestern Clarendon County in central South Carolina, Orangeburg County in central South Carolina, until 9:15 p.m. At 6:06 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 1 inch of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Orangeburg, Danburg, Denmark, Brookdale, St. Matthews, Branchville, Bowman, Ellery, Orangeburg County Airport, Edisto Gardens, South Carolina State University, Claflin College, Santee State Park, Rivers Bridge State Park, Santee, Earhart, Cameron, Neeses, Norway and Roseville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 95 between mile markers 96 and 105. Interstate 26 between mile markers 136 and 167. Most flooding deaths occur in vehicles. Never drive through a flooded roadway or around barricades. Turn around, don't drown. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. Flood advisory in effect until 9:15 p.m. this evening.